Hey everyone, welcome back to Financify. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change your username in the eToro app using your mobile device. Let's get started. First, launch the eToro app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Then, tap on the menu icon located at the top left corner of the screen. Scroll down and select Settings from the list. Inside the Settings menu, tap on Account or Profile Settings depending on the version of the app. Look for the Username section, tap on the pencil edit icon next to it. Enter your new username in the provided field. Ensure it complies with eToro's username requirements. Once you have entered the new username, tap on Save or Confirm to finalize the changes. If prompted, confirm the change by entering your account password or completing any additional verification steps. And that's it. You have successfully updated your username in the eToro app. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Financify for more quick tips, and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.